Hello and welcome to Add-on. So today we have this question. A ruby laser has its metastable state at 1.79 eV, from which stimulated emission produces laser light. So we need to calculate the wavelength of that light. So let's first check what we are given. So we are given an energy level at 1.79 eV, which is where the electron is located in the metastable state of the ruby laser. Now, this energy difference is what the electrons will release as light when it moves to a lower energy state. Right, so let's write what is given. So, given metastable stable state is at 1.79 eV. Which means what? Which means the difference in energy levels, which is given by E2 minus E1, right? The difference is 1.79 electron volt. Now, this is the energy difference what the electrons will release as light when it moves to a lower energy state, right? Now, do you remember what kind of light ruby lasers produce? Yes, red light. Now, let's see how we can calculate the wavelength of that light. So, the key to solve this kind of problem is the energy wavelength relationship, which we have by E equals to hc by lambda. So we will write E as the energy difference of E2 minus E1 equals to hc by lambda. So H here will be the Planck's constant for electron volt. So we know normally the Planck's constant is given as 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34. But in case of electron volt, we need to divide it by the electron volt. So what is 1 eV? 1 eV is equals to 1.60218 into 10 to the power minus 19, which is equal to 4.135 into 10 to the power minus 50. So this is the value of H, which is the Planck's constant we will use in this equation. So let's just substitute the values. So energy difference is 1.79 electron volt. And we have H equals to 4.135 into 10 to the power minus 15. And C is what? C is the speed of light, 3 into 10 to the power 8. And lambda is what we need to calculate. So we will just calculate by rearranging this equation. So we have lambda equals to 1242.18 divided by 1.79 electron volt. So after calculating this, we have the wavelength equals to 693.95 nanometers, or we can write it as 693.95 into 10 to the power minus 9 meters. We generally write it as nanometers, so we will just write 693.95 nanometers. Thus, the wavelength of the light is 693.95 nanometers. So this result 693.95 nanometers falls within the red region of the visible spectrum. So, red region of the visible spectrum. And that is the reason why ruby lasers emit red light, and which is linked to the energy level difference of 1.79 electron volt. So to summarize, we use the energy wavelength formula, which is E equals to hc by lambda, and substituted the values. And then we calculated the wavelength of the light, which is 693.95 nanometers. Using the steps, we can calculate the wavelength for any given set of problem. Thank you for watching.